Daddy G, I wish you. Why am I here? Why am I here? Get your PVC. Get your PVC. No talk say I no tell you. No talk say I no tell you. Another 4 years of bondage. Another 8 years of bondage. Don't say your conscience because of nu. Don't say your conscience because of akam. Amaika go tiko gari. Give chefu ebi shiribia. Amaika go tiko gari. Give revote to tigre kwensu. Ahunwa ye bidahu ni shower suffering go start where we stop. Today is another day of grace. Get your PVC. No talk say I no tell you. You walk around your young boy where be every night they do you bru la bru. Abali abaka, if you enter in the night you no go fit sleep unless you carry woman enter for room. This time around wait you go carry enter for room nagini your PVC, because that is your right. You have to vote in the right person for us to have a freedom and liberation. Pharaoh, let my people go. Pharaoh, let my people go. Hello, Pharaoh, shall happen your people. The only way Pharaoh go take leave you this time around is for you to do what? Me happen waganaka Pharaoh. Also, the kingdom of God suffer violent. And on the violent, you get take care by force. The kingdom of God suffered violence. The time for you to be violent is now. Be violent in your right. Onye nazo ihe we want to imagine here. Onye nazo ihe we want to imagine here. Don't say I not told you. I don't told you now. Everybody should get ready. Tadijiro, you too talk. Tadijiro, you too the shout. Why I not go shout? Remember, 8 years of bondage. Before, we don't vote to Pharaoh enter. Consider like this. Say you no go come out. This time around, you go collect 1 cup of rice or 1 cup of nu. Voting another Pharaoh. Pharaohs, they go enter, sit down like this. Because they walk on you man and son. Not be to carry Jesus, you go to shout Jesus. Carry Jesus, put for your WhatsApp status. Put that for your Facebook status. That is not the end of it. The main thing where Jesus wants you to do is in your hand. Pastor, pray for me. Daddy Gio, pray for me. I know they pray again. This time around, use your PVC and pray yourself out. Go and get your PVC. Because the kingdom of God is at hand. At hand. Our good and our bad is in our hand. All the youth of Nigeria, all the mothers, all the fathers, all the children, all the pastor, all the deacon, you want your movie association, you want your category of association, you want slave queen, you want your hook up. Hey, you get hook roria. Magaga ga with PVC go. Oria ki ge hook rote. Oria bungo mengo. Ote ki ga na agazi. Yamba Hebrew loria. Ote ko oria ge temegi. Go and get your PVC so that our future will be better. We don't suffer enough. Suffering done too much. Ya we hear Jirakai metro why. Ya we no rara. Ya we to call price enyi. Ya wa kwanke chigrai. I say you come and vote our party. Do not vote any party, rather vote an individual. Christ is already there on the throne ruling. He said he has given you dominion over everything. Then it is in our hands to choose the right place and the right thing to do. When you leave the right path and you follow the other path, hey, ekwesa akpola goko. Yamba ha gona ge, oge mo no fam nanya. Oge mo no fam nanya. Mgbe ekwensu ga-abaiga n'ọchịchị, oge mo no fam nanya. Ndị mmadụ ọ ga-emekwa unu fam n'anya. Ọ ga-eme unu fam n'anya. Werekwa ọsọ ga-weta PVC maka ọ ga-emekwa gị fam n'anya.
This is my problem with you. This is my problem. Everything you must disobey me. You must prove your stubbornness. Now you've seen it. Get this thing. See your condition now. Eh? I've told you, this is Nigeria. Anything can happen. Get yourself ready. How many months now? 8 months, and you better move yourself. Oh. Move! I'm telling you, get this thing, prepare yourself. This is Nigeria. How am I going to cope? Eh? Keep on moving.
I'm moving. Oh. I'm moving.
You're moving. How many months now? Get how many months? Get this thing. This is your problem. Keep on moving.
Daddy Gio, you till they talk. Now truth. The Bible said the truth will be bitter. And the bitter will Damn you! Repent! Get your PVC. If you not get them, oh! Who be that? What happened?
Every day you put me through stress.
Raphael.
Daddy G.O.
Now what happened? Why you they shout to your wife like that? I'll give him a...
Not my wife. Not be this stupid, foolish, useless woman. This woman, who they are, she's stupid.
Shut up your mouth. How can you open your mouth and call your marriage wife a stupid woman in the front of an anointed holy man of God? That the GO general, the CEO of I Wonder International Ministry. Therefore, my president, they abuse the wife where you marry with your
Continue.
Don't you know this thing where you just commit now is punishable by it is a sin by utterances court of law. The utterance word anyhow. What did make her stupid? What did she do? No.
Daddy G.O. I am very angry in the spirit. Even a woman,
Yeah, I want to know.
Daddy G.O. for good 8 months, I have been telling this girl, this woman, I've been telling her to get her permanent voter's card, her PVC.
Continue.
And I said she's busy, she doesn't have time. Now we are coming back from the hospital. Do you know that the hospital rejected? They said they will not attend to her because of her PVC. Jesus! Part of the requirements that we must present our PVC before they attend to this to my wife.
Hey! Most time if I talk like this, they go say that you too talk. You are not a man of God. Not be God to send you. Not be you give me this message this morning, say make I preach. Not be the message why I carry from out now they come. I call we are here. So she not get PVC.
She not get.
Hey! Imerola la puezelu. Ekweshi da kan chote kagago no te nwa eshi no chi dapụta. Maka Chineke kere mu na gna. Come on, don't cry like nwa busu. And you, your husband, where your own? Your own PVC.
Continue.
Can I see you? Can I see you a minute?
See me how? You not get your own?
I'm working on it.
You are working on it?
I am working on it.
Wait oh. You not get to kwa? Give and get you kanji no come maybe. Don't you know you are also stupid? Both of you are stupid family. Stupid cops. Oh, you don't know. Dina wuye shin. You not get PVC, your wife not get. Get your watch or your mabru get enough. Don't you know you should be pregnant of PVC first before you can get anything inside? Jesus! This time around is not when husband and wife will lie on top of bed, begin to enjoy, because after the night enjoyment, you come out to continue to suffer. You have to first of all fight the physical before you go fight spiritual. You went and give her belly. You not get PVC. She no get. You see like enter market, go buy red lip. Paint your mouth. When you get paint, you get paint.
It is natural.
Nagini come on, happy guy. I'm lecturer. I'm on the lecturer. I wrote that regular time. I'm one road age survey. Look, we know it. It's a lecturer. Yeah, I'm Chineke go take Ujon. God, Chineke happen Ujon no get one take here. And you want me to believe it's lecturer? I would say lecturer. I will head master. Hey! I will dean of study. Nikon Pope. Both of you not get PVC. This is just the beginning. Now, so I talked before. When during the time of MIN. Yes.
NIN.
Time. Nini uchahe no nime. Apre nini. Iporo ni shawe nipple. Jesus. Until you need our basan and all we ho. Netie kampu. Die kwesha na church. Die preach here. Baga na moto kwoye. Ndoma na yare ke wele show te kposhe hante. Until the NTM, there's a block on Bonya will push on you. Give us a mandu present. Mandu Kono saw how they were a balabaka. Ndapana bal, ha mabruma, Ndana from one road. Number 100 from one block oil. I do a photolia Hachideke for hotel for. Onya will again how you check out to Temika. Even a NTM office. Everybody has a block or road. I am the associate producer of Nigeria International. I said here we don't know Nigeria International. You have to register your NIN. Oh we are. That's why I don't start this one now. Very soon they just denied you of hospital attention. Very soon they will deny you every right. My church, you no go enter. My bank, you no go enter. Airport, woo! My every associate, even the village family meeting, they go soon deny you. You're not going to even collect your salary from any company where you work for, both private and the government. If you don't get your PVC, it's better you rush now, go get your PVC. Let us unite together and vote out the evil people and vote in God-sent person. That's the message I have for you. This is message of hope.
Yes, Daddy. Thank you, sir.
Amen.
Ime waga 8 months awash.
Yeah, bawash.
How many months?
8 months.
Oh, see it? Yam water or badia. I don't mind who twice. Hanago once. A short I'm going to say anything why open tell you say na like this you go. Any day when you see me for road, I tell you say you go die tomorrow. Before that tomorrow, go about yes, that's not so God. They take reveal and to
say my husband in talk 8 months.
Waiting in talk now. That one concerning no talking to me, talking for himself. Now this one now I need reveal and by myself. So please go and get your PVC.
Okay, sir.
For you to be attended to.
Daddy G.O. Thank God say we don't meet you. Everything working together for good.
For those who trust in the Lord.
Yes.
Oh, you have
we trust. We trust. Me and my wife, we go get our PVC. Then one more thing, sir. Make you help me pray for my wife for safe delivery. Pray for my wife.
Any safe delivery where you desire now, through your PVC, your safe delivery is sure. Jesus! Where you go burn the pikin put for this Nigeria gas roti? Isn't it better when she stay there or make the baby stay inside? Until I make what you obodo am put there, that is the number.
Any pikin there?
Go and get your PVC.
Man of God, hospital reject us.
Me too have rejected you, and so heaven will reject you if you refuse to vote in.
Hey, I will carry pikin more than 9 months.
So you want to suffer for eternity?
I won't carry pikin more than 9
months. Go to any INEC office where they or any outlet where they register. Go get your PVC. Stand by. Get ready. Let us vote out evil and vote in goodness and
they move to check this thing for road.
Nonsense people. Wake up.
Continue.
Collect your money. Collect your money. Everybody wake up. Collect your money. Collect your PVC. Collect your PVC. Oh yeah. Wake up. This time around, him be say, collect your PVC. Collect your PVC. Everybody wake up. Reject their money. Collect your PVC. Any money where they go give you for corruption, reject their money. Reject their money. Collect your PVC. You don't see the music now, don't change. Reject their money. Collect your PVC. Everybody wake up. In the morning, PVC. In the afternoon, PVC. In the evening, PVC. In fact, henceforth, any greeting now will get Kelechi Fimu or Daddy G.O. or anything that relates to me. It is Daddy G.O. good afternoon. The response will be, where is your PVC? Otherwise, you will get it hot from me. Get your PVC now, because your PVC is the key to your freedom.